Hi guys, the other thing I got the other day, like I was saying in the big haul, got the Klingon bird of prey. As you can see, another Starship Legends, beautiful ship. That's the front in the box. Shame to take, I'm going to take this out of the box actually. That's the side, look at that, I love that Starfleet badge. Starfleet logo, there you go, Star Trek. That's the top of the box. Right, and I will tell you something interesting in a minute. That's the bottom, and that's the back. I love the Klingon bird of prey. I've got 4 of these, so this will be the 4th. Right, the most versatile ship in the Klingon fleet. The bird of prey was in use for over a century with various classes of the vessel, serving as scouts, raiders and patrol ships. Birds of prey would often engage in skirmishes with Federation ships, most frequently the USS Enterprise, actually the Dominion War. All through the bird of prey is armed with phasers, photon torpedoes, disruptor cannon. Its greatest weapon is the cloaking device, which makes it invisible to scanners, even the naked eye, giving it an edge in any battle. The standard bird of prey cannot fire while cloaked, but an experimental model that had capability was destroyed while under the command of the traitor General Chang. You know what I mean? Kapla! Another bird of prey was captured by the Federation after the death of Commander Cruge, and for a time was commanded by Starfleet Admiral James T. Kirk. The other things in the set is the science tricorder, classic communicator, got all that. US Enterprise E, Klingon Disruptor, got 2 of them, and a mini-mates. Oh god, mini-mates. I was going to get into mini-mates, but so I've got the Enterprise on mini-mates. I still haven't got it out of the box. There you go, as you can see, that's the other stuff there, which is pretty cool. Right, so, damaged solder scene, damaged packaging. Right, 15 quid for that. 59.99. I've seen it from 39.99. I've seen it online 59.99, and in Forbidden Planet I think it was 49.99. I have the other one, the Botany Bay with the landing struts. But you know, right. Everybody's asking the chair I'm sat in, guys. It is actually hang on. It is a Klingon throne. Yes, it is. Yeah. These are the Klingon logos. It's a full-size replica Klingon throne. You can turn it around. It's all the pipe and all the stuff on the back. It's designed as a Klingon. It's full-size Klingon throne, guys. Just in case. When I move it and move stuff around, then you get the back and you get the full effect of it. You will realise I'll do a video on it, but it is a replica Klingon throne from. It's the one what General Chang sits in the undiscovered country. You know when he's shouting Shakespeare and cry havoc and let loose the dogs of war and all that. And this is the actual chair he's sat in, not the real one of course, but it's a replica. Right. So, but I actually, honestly, guys, it's massive. So until I move it around the room, because it should be out fully displayed with the back and everything, and I should sort of get it out. Do you know what I mean? Right, I'm unboxing now, guys. Right, here we go, scissors. There we go, wonderful. Absolutely, that's what I like. See, I like this stuff. It's come out nicely. Right, again, 20,000 ties to tie it down, all rubbish on the floor. As you see, guys, there it is. How nice is this, isn't it? Right, so let's get this. Let's just get this baby out. No, out. Right, that's that. That's the other part of the stand. Very happy with that. That's come out very easy. Right. Right, that's the stand with the Klingon logo. As you can see, it's all in black. It would have been better if it had been coloured. It would have liked it that way. Right, let's get this out now. How many ties is there? Ah, right. One. So I think I'm hoping, oh no, there's 2 more up wings, so that's that part of it done. See, sometimes it makes you wonder that you should just leave them in the box. So I do keep boxes for some of my stuff. You know, I used to sell a lot on eBay a couple of years ago, but I ended up having a house full of stuff, and I was just boxed in, so I only stick to certain things to collect now. And I do sell some stuff now and again. I used to swap a lot of figures, action figures, on Facebook. I got into Hot Toys for a while. I had about 10 of them. I still got 7. So I actually sold a few of them actually. So I got really into Hot Toys, but I sort of backed off a bit. You know what I mean? Well, right, here we go. This is what I like. Now we're out. So, one Klingon bird of prey. You know what I mean? Mr. Wolf, small ship. Yeah, you know what I mean? So it does all the standard stuff, goes, you know. So that's it. As you can see, that's the side. Got beautiful. Love the wings painted underneath with bird, you know, bird of prey. Definitely such a fan of this ship. I think if I could have a ship, I'd probably have a Klingon bird of prey, but I'd have all Federation comforts on board. I'm not into sleeping on metal beds. Right, so but there might not be any power. There's no power in it, guys, as I thought. Because sometimes they're in boxes such a long time, batteries just drain away. So let's. Is there anything? No, guys, it's. There's no power in it, guys. Hang on, let's try again. No power. Sorry, guys. It's been in the box. So there's its the cells at the back. Look at that. Because all that lights up red. There you go. I like the wings do go down very nicely, as you can see. Going up. Do the other angle of that. You know, it flies off. Coming in for the kill. See what I mean? I love I love the weapons on this. Look at the detail. I mean, this is such an amazing ship to put. Truly is a classic warship, isn't it? You know, from Star Trek, one of the best ships designed. So there you go. That's close up of the front. Let's get to the back. Take it from the back. You know, so definitely this ship is marvellous. This is my review of the Starship Legends Diamond Select set of the Klingon Bird of Prey. Let me know what you think, guys. I'm absolutely love this video. I'm sat in the Klingon throne, and yeah, kapla. See you on the next videos, guys. Oh, that's a cool one, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? Yeah, fucking right. Remember whaling ship, and it's there hovering like that. Brilliant. From the voyage home. Right, guys. I'm off to go kill some Federation types and Klingons, and I'm going. See you later.